Bo Bunny has a new collection called Sweet Clementine, and it's brought to us from our friends at American Crafts. Now, there are 48 sheets of single-sided 12 by 12 paper, but what's really amazing is there are 2 each of 24 different designs. 24 designs. That's pretty unusual. Even though they're single-sided, you're still getting a lot of designs. So let me just flip through the 24, and again, you're getting 2 of each. So we've got all over patterns. They're really nicely sized. Sometimes in other paper collections, I see giant images that are really hard to use, and I love that these are really designed for card makers or for scrapbookers. You see the lace? That we can get in a little bit closer. Yeah, there you go. So we've got all of those dots, and then as we got in closer, there we go. You can see that sweet little corner treatment and these ghosted back hearts. We've got hearts right there and flowers all over. Really pretty color combination, and nice to have 2 sheets like this that you can cut out, you can use on your cards or your pages, and even some that are empty for journaling or putting a photograph on. Okay, come on, there we go. There we have an all over, really very pretty, and some medium sized. We have an all over pattern. And this has got opposite corners, a little treatment there. And we've got stripes. These are on a pad. Isn't that pretty? Just really, really nice. And an all over pattern. And again, another one. So you're going to get 2 of those. And that just makes your papers go so much farther. Isn't that striking in that lace? And then we have leaves and dots. And more stripes, and then an all over lace. I think we're almost, okay, that's it. So that was 24 designs. You're getting 2 of each, all highly, highly useful in my opinion. Now to go along with it, there is a Sweet Clementine set of die cuts, and there are a ton here, 58 pieces. Now they go from small ones, little accents, all the way to large ones like this. And just really, of course, in the same color combination because we want everything to match. Most of these do not have a white edge. A couple of them do, and these are paper, so you can lift them up with foam tape, you can do whatever you want with them, but just a really nice variety. And I do think that pink and orange color combination with hints of green is just really useful. So 58 die cuts here, 48 papers here, all of them beautifully coordinated, all of them called Sweet Clementine.